Crestview sliding glass window repair is essential when cracked panes, stuck frames, or worn seals start affecting comfort and security in homes and businesses across Crestview, Florida. Local property owners rely on fast slider window repair Crestview, Florida to restore smooth operation, improve energy performance, and protect interiors from rain, wind, and humidity. Whether the issue is a broken latch, foggy double-pane slider windows, or damaged frame components, a trusted sliding glass window service helps keep windows working properly year-round. Slider Windows Crestview is often the best solution when repairs are no longer cost-effective, or when older units are reducing efficiency. Many homeowners choose modern sliding windows, vinyl slider windows, or aluminum slider windows to upgrade curb appeal and performance at the same time. Crestview FL slider window contractors can recommend the best slider windows in Crestview FL based on home style, budget, and durability needs, including energy-efficient slider windows for lower utility bills and better indoor comfort. Slider window glass repair is a common need after storms, accidental impact, or long-term wear. When the pane is cracked, chipped, or fogged, slider window glass replacement Crestview services can restore visibility and safety without unnecessary delay. Homeowners in Okaloosa County slider window service areas often request double-pane slider windows or triple-pane slider windows for improved insulation, while others choose custom slider windows that fit unique openings and design preferences. For many properties, professional glass service delivers a cleaner, longer-lasting result than temporary fixes. Slider Windows Crestview is a smart investment for new builds, additions, and remodels that need efficient airflow and clean, contemporary design. New construction slider windows and patio slider windows are popular choices because they maximize natural light and make outdoor access easier. Crestview window contractors can install weatherproof slider windows designed to handle Gulf Coast conditions, while Crestview hurricane-rated slider windows provide added protection for storm season. For property owners seeking value and style, Crestview vinyl slider window installation offers durability, low maintenance, and dependable performance. Faulty slider track repair is often necessary when windows drag, jam, or refuse to glide smoothly. Dirt buildup, bent tracks, or worn hardware can create frustration and make windows harder to secure. Crestview window track repair and slider window roller replacement can quickly restore smooth operation, while window frame slider repair addresses structural issues that affect alignment. Regular slider window maintenance helps prevent these problems and extends the life of residential slider window service and commercial slider window repair projects throughout Northwest Florida sliding window service areas. Emergency slider windows Crestview is important after break-ins, severe weather, or sudden glass failure. Quick response from local slider window experts. Crestview FL helps secure the property, prevent additional damage, and restore safety fast. Businesses needing Crestview commercial slider window repair often depend on prompt service to maintain operations, protect inventory, and keep storefronts presentable. Homeowners also benefit from emergency service when a broken lock, shattered pane, or damaged track creates an immediate security concern. Slider window seal replacement is a practical solution when condensation, drafts, or moisture between panes begin to appear. Failing seals reduce efficiency and can make even high-quality windows underperform. Crestview energy-efficient slider windows with proper sealing help stabilize indoor temperatures and support long-term savings. For homes exposed to strong sun, humidity, and seasonal storms, weatherproof slider windows and hurricane-resistant slider windows offer an added layer of protection and reliability, especially in coastal-influenced areas near Crestview and surrounding Okaloosa County communities. Residential slider window service in Crestview, Florida covers everything from minor adjustments to full slider window replacement Crestview FL projects. Families often request Crestview sliding window maintenance to keep tracks clean, rollers lubricated, and screens intact. Slider window screen repair. Crestview, Florida is also a frequent request for homes that want fresh air without pests. From suburban neighborhoods to rural properties, Crestview residential slider windows can be tailored for quiet operation, stronger insulation, and easier everyday use. Commercial properties benefit from dependable slider window repair. Crestview, Florida, when storefronts, offices, and rental units need quick, professional attention. Crestview commercial slider window repair services help maintain appearance and function while minimizing disruption to business operations. Many companies choose durable aluminum slider windows for their strength and low maintenance, while others invest in modern sliding windows to create a cleaner, updated look. In busy retail and office settings, reliable sliding window installation Crestview services help ensure windows open smoothly and close securely. For homeowners searching for affordable slider window service, local help near Crestview can make all the difference. Slider window service near Crestview should include inspection, repair, replacement, and maintenance options that fit different budgets and property types. Crestview, Florida Slider Window Company professionals often handle everything from slider window roller replacement to faulty slider track repair, providing complete solutions for aging systems. When quality and price both matter, local service is often the best way to get lasting results without overpaying. Crestview patio slider window installation is ideal for creating easy backyard access while improving the overall style of a home. These large openings work especially well with vinyl slider windows and custom slider windows designed for specific measurements. Whether the goal is better ventilation, more daylight, or a smoother transition to outdoor living areas, patio slider windows can transform a space. Many property owners also prefer best slider windows in Crestview FL for their blend of aesthetics, efficiency, and everyday convenience. Crestview aluminum slider window repair and slider window glass repair. Crestview projects are common in older homes and storm-affected buildings that need targeted restoration. Local technicians can address broken glass, warped frames, sticking panels, and worn rollers in one visit when possible. Crestview window roller replacement and window frame slider repair are especially important when windows have become difficult to open or close. With the right service, Slider Windows Crestview FL properties can regain security, comfort, and smooth operation quickly.